Hi! Welcome to my channel. I'm Easy, your friendly professional makeup artist. I aim to help and provide easy makeup applications for makeup beginners and makeup enthusiasts. You're welcome to my channel. So for today's video, we are going to review the #1 best-selling from Teviant, and that is Mon Cheri Mascara and Virago Liner. So we'll see, kasi they claim na it is smudge-proof, newly improved, the blackest color in the market. So, kaya siya best-seller, yung mascara and Teviant Eyeliner. So, gagawa tayo ng konting review about that. So, if you want to see more of this video, then keep on watching. Kung bago ka sa aking channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share this to your friends. Let's begin. So, last week, guys, Teviant sent me this Mon Cheri Mascara. Ayan, ito yung best seller nila at kasama din yung Virago Liquid Eyeliner. Noon pa man, I've already been using Teviant. Hindi ako sponsored noon at hindi ako pinapadala ng PR noon. Ginagamit ko na talaga yung liquid eyeliner. Actually, I have the old one. Ito, isang old one. Virago kasama si Colleen. So, ito si Colleen. Ang ganda ng green. So, ang ganda ng color. Green na green. Sabi nila kasi, I'm going to post it here. It's 18R na long wearing, waterproof, smudge-proof. So, tignan natin si Virago muna. Have to shake first para lumabas yung ink. And as you can see, guys, packaging, maganda yung packaging, very elegant. So, it's para siyang rose gold and black. And then, when you open it, you could see na meron siyang very fine tip. So, perfect ito, like, as what you can see right now. Lapit ko lang, ha. So, I have a very sharp, thin eyeliner. Especially, like us Asian women, hindi bagay sa atin yung masyadong makapal yung liner. Especially na meron tayong heavy fold sa ating mga mata. Magmumukhang hindi ta siya magandang tignan. So, what really recommend to us is a very long, thin na flick or yung ganitong type. That's why Virago is very perfect, or the Teviant's pen eyeliner na black or any color, Colleen. Maganda siya kasi ang very fine ng tip niya. You could create a very thin layer of flick, and as you can see, maliit talaga yung mata ko. I can create a fine line para kita pa rin yung fold. So, very black. Tingnan natin. Ayan, black na black. Ang maganda dito is hindi siya ganun ka-shiny. And that's what I love talaga sa isang liner. Ayoko yung glossy type. So, bukod sa fine ang tip ng brush and hindi siya glossy, which is I super love, this pen eyeliner is smudge proof. So, see, kahit anong dot-dot ko, diinan pa natin ng bongga. Ayan. Kahit anong smudge na gawin natin, wala. And for the waterproof, let's try this. Spray natin. So, kita nyo naman na basa. So, we'll see. Nice. Wala pa rin. Ganun din si Colleen. So, itong ganitong type na mga eyeliner, you should have this in your makeup kit, whether you are a professional makeup artist or makeup enthusiast. If you are pawisin, maganda to. Kung ikaw ay makeup artist for brides or for shoot, kailangan mo talaga ng long-wearing smudge-proof eyeliners. So, the next Teviant bestseller is the Mon Cheri Mascara. Ito siya, guys. So, kasama to sa PR na binigay sa akin. So, it has 2 mascara wands. First is this thick mascara. Ito ay para sa upper lashes. So, phone lang kasi ang gamit ko eh. So, makikita nyo, meron siya mga small fiber. This will help your lashes to have more elongated and fuller effect. So, yun yung mga may fiber ka makikita dito. And they also have a small, thin mascara brush. So, para naman to sa lower lashes mo. Especially for us Asian ladies na stubborn and manipis lang. This kind of brush will really coat your lower lashes. So now we are going to check naman guys if it's this water resistant, waterproof, and smudge proof. Pagsasamahin ko na. Okay, and then let's do a smudge test. Okay. So, true to their claim. Thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up. Show some love, guys. Like this video, share this, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you on my next tutorial. Stay safe. God bless you. Bye!